The front entry door has not been redesigned for over 100 years. When you consider a custom wood door, it is a very expensive product.
It's rare to find a wood door where you say it works for a long period of time.
In our climate, with the cold and the warm and the moisture and that, they end up cracking. We used to have a wooden door on display, showed the great big crack down the middle.
What we're giving you is a wood door feel, a wood door look, without the wood maintenance, without the dinting, without the dryness, the cracking, the weathering. Our door offers the beauty of wood and requires almost no maintenance.
And I'm telling you, there is nothing like it. It's identical. You can put our door against a wooden door and you cannot tell the difference.
When I first visited, Weber was a manufacturer of tooling for many industries, mainly automotive.
BMW has done tests with us, and those BMW hood is SMC, sheet molded compound, which is the same SMC as we're using in our doors.
We've done molds for Ferrari, we've done stuff for Rolls-Royce, we do things for Boeing, we do things for Airbus.
The technology is called Nickel Vapor Deposition.
If it wasn't for nickel vapor deposition, there wouldn't be a MASTERGRAIN door as you know it today.
The best way to think of NVD is really taking a metal, putting it into a gas, and converting it back to a solid to take on a unique shape.
Yeah, we're in the atom business. We pile them all up in the form of a nickel shell.
We start from a real wood door, we make the perfect real wood door, and then we take our casts off of that. There is literally hundreds of man hours put into that to file that down to get it perfect.
But because it comes from the nickel vapor deposition shell, it's a MASTERGRAIN.
We're the only door company in North America that manufacture our own tools.
Being fully integrated is a manufacturing company like ourselves having control over the entire process from start to finish. There's an accession of quality right from the master model all the way to the final door that's leaving our building that's been painted for Mrs. Smith. You can't get that from our competition.
We want to be known as the company that builds the greatest door on earth.
I totally believe we have to do every part of the process to ensure we get the best door on earth. If we don't control or have that inspiring passion of every part of the process, how can you say you have the best door on earth?
Your front entry door is an emotional connection to you. But I find that most people lack an emotional connection to their door.
We want to change the feeling of how they enter their home and what it means to a homeowner. It's not just a door.
MASTERGRAIN wants to make the front entry door such that people will say, oh my God, we didn't think these were possible.
So now we tell the customers, the impossible we can do. If it's a miracle, it takes a little bit longer.